to Shine Week with Stillworks and Brewing. My name is Randy, and this is a channel that's all about home distillation and brewing. Okay, so what do we got today? Well, today we're going to make a peach moonshine. It could be called peach cobbler moonshine, peach pie moonshine, but let's just call it peach moonshine. This ought to be pretty good, and it makes a little bit. A lot of content. I love peach moonshine. It is one of my favorites. Alright, so let's get started. Alright, so the very first thing that we have to do is we have some white grape peach flavored grape juice. White grape peach flavored. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to put one of them in a pot. Okay, so we're going to put that in a pot, and then what we want to add in there is 1 cup of brown sugar. Okay, 1 cup of brown sugar. Whoop. A little bit too much. Alright, 1 cup of brown sugar. I don't think it much matters with light or dark. Alright. Let me close this bag up before I spill it. Alright, and then what we want is 3 cinnamon sticks. 1, 2, and 3. Alright, and we're going to start warming that up. And what we want to try to do is to melt the sugar, okay? And start. Alright. So, while that's warming up, what we're going to do is, the recipe calls for 4 large peaches. I didn't think these were that large, so I ended up getting 5 of them. And so let me peel these, and then while that's heating up. Alright, so let me get these peeled and then I'll be back. Okay, so I'm going to add some peaches to these 3 jars. Okay. Oh, what a mess. Alright. Okay, so I added the peaches to that. I did bring up the 1 peach juice, grape juice, up to a real low simmer. And all the sugar got melted. I'm going to add the other one, and this basically really will cool it down. Okay, so I had to cool that down. I added the 3 cinnamon sticks. Alright, and what I will do is I'm going to put 1 cinnamon stick in each one of those jars. Okay, now let me get rid of this. Okay, next important step is I'm going to add in 1 quart of Shine to my grape juice. My pot's just about full. Alright, so I'm going to add in, and that's a 100 proof Shine there. Okay? This is so easy to make. Shine, I think, is the the flavor and shine is not too bad to do. Give that a quick stir. Alright, all I gotta do is fill without spilling. Alright, let me get these filled up and then I'll come back. Alright, I got my 3.5 gallons of peach shine out of that recipe. So what we need to do is we are going to let that infuse for, I don't know, 1 to 2 weeks. And then after that, what we'll do is we'll strain it out, and it'll be pretty delicious shine. You can see the stuff we've made so far. It's looking good. I mean, look at them strawberries, almost all the colors out of them strawberries. And that's only been a day. And then that's, hot damn, that's looking pretty darn fantastic too. Okay, well, that is our peach moonshine. What do I have ready for, what are we going to make tomorrow? Well, you're going to have to wait and find out for that. Like I said in the very beginning, we got 6 different shines we're going to make. And then on the 7th day of Shine Week, it's a tough job. We got, I guess I can handle it. We're going to taste them all. Alright. Okay. So, that's peach shine. Hey. Ooh. Oh, welcome back to Stillworks and Brewing. We're on number 4 moonshine. This is our peach moonshine. And, like I said, it's been 10 days. I think it's 10 days. And by looking at our peach moonshine, it's looking pretty good, and I'm just going to leave it alone. I ain't going to strain the peaches out. I do want to smell it, but I'm not going to taste it. It looks fantastic. It looks real peachy. Oh, you don't know how hard it is not to taste it, but well, yes, you do. This is going to be excellent. I ended up with, this was a big batch. I ended up with 4 half-gallon jars, so that's going to be very good. Looking forward to that. But like I said, I'm going to just leave the, I'm going to leave it alone. The peaches are working out good in the liquid. And as I said before, once you do taste it, if you wanted to boost the alcohol up a little bit, you can. I don't think it'd be overbearing, so I don't think you'd have to reduce it down, but you could if you wanted to. So, that is number 4, our peach moonshine. I'm really looking forward to Sunday. Sunday's going to be a blast. Alrighty, so thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you next time here on Stillworks and Brewing.